Nice. Alright guys, I noticed that on the last bullet, the slide lock back, I chambered it, the slide lock back, and I noticed there was still one bullet in the mag, so it did it twice already. So I'm gonna keep shooting. I'm gonna let you guys know if it keeps doing it, but it didn't do it the first time, so the first time I shot the gun, but now it's starting to do it, so we'll keep shooting. I'll let you guys know if anything. Alright, Glock 19. Alright guys, so you saw me shoot both guns side by side. Now I'm gonna compare them really good to see which gun feels better shooting wise. So I'm gonna do 15 here and then do 15 with the CZ. So let's do it. Okay, feels pretty good. Now let's do the CZ. What? Oh, they're hitting you? Alright, shit, they both feel pretty good. For some reason, I feel like the Glock feels a little better. Glock 19. But they're pretty much comparable. They both feel pretty good shooting wise. Yeah, I'm gonna finish these last rounds and then I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of the video what I think about both the guns. So let's keep going. Alright guys, I let my girl shoot the CZ P-09, the new one, Nocturne, and we had 3 slide lock issues already. So I'm gonna finish these 2 mags with the gun and I'm gonna see if I can catch it on camera for you guys. So let's do it. Okay, it didn't do it on this one. Let me try this one. Yep. Show them that. So slide is back. There's still a bullet in the chamber. So I mean, sorry, in the mag. So at least I caught it in camera to show you guys. I don't know why it's doing that, because the first time I shot the gun, it was flawless, and out of nowhere now it's starting to do that. So reminds me of the M&P doing that bullshit. But I'm gonna shoot the last bullet. Well, that shit disappointing as hell, I'll tell you that. But we're gonna finish with the Glock 19. You know, Glock is Glock because Glock perfection. Feel me? This gun, it freaking ran perfectly through all the bullets, or rounds, should I say, and it had no issues. And honestly, I felt like this gun had better recoil management than the CZ. I even let my girl shoot it, and she pretty much said the same thing. So, yeah, guys, this gun goes for 630. What was it, like 630, 620, about there. And then this gun right here goes for 530. And like I said, you guys saw how when I was shooting, the slide lock happened, and it happened 3 times, but I only caught it 1 time in video. So I don't know. I don't know why I started doing that out of nowhere, but it's kind of disappointing and shit. So I don't know. I'm gonna go home, clean it up, and see if it's something internally that I didn't oil, but I cleaned it out before I took it out to the range. So, but yeah, pretty much, I feel like the Glock wins this one because it had no problems. It ran through all the rounds, and I don't know, the recoil was better on the Glock. At least I feel like Glock 19. So for for $100 more, you get the Glock 19 Gen 5, and you know it'll be reliable. Won't have no jams, no hiccups, and honestly, the recoil is a little bit better on this gun. So yeah, I recommend the Glock 19, not the CZ. I'll be selling that. If it does it again, I'll be selling that gun. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys later. Thank you for watching.